Do you want to create a construction estimation form under 10 minutes? Then look no further. Today, we are going to customize an estimation form tailored specifically for construction projects. This way, you'll be able to send out cost estimates quickly and professionally, attracting more clients to your business. So get ready to automate your processes, generate more leads, and boost your business. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, let's head over to the formula dashboard and click on templates. Here, we are going to type estimate in the search bar, and today let's use this one. Great, as you can see here on the left of the editor page, we have the list of fields, and you can drag the field type that you want and drop it into the right form canvas. You can also change the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. You can also easily delete fields if you want to. Here in the Design tab, you can change the look of your form, like for example, change the theme and colors of your form, add a background image, and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Awesome! Now let's go back to the editor page, and here we are going to customize the form to make it into a construction cost estimation form. So if we look at the form, it starts by asking basic information like name fields, which we will keep, and also email and phone fields we are also going to keep, but let's remove the address field and zip code field as it may or may not be relevant to this type of form that we are going for today. Great! Here as you can see we have a page break field, which means the form will be sectioned here to show the next questions on a new page for the client to see. And right under we have a section field, which will be like a title for your new page, and you can change the title and add a description if you wish to. Okay, great. Now let's add a number field, and here we are going to set the title to estimate number for your clients to fill. Awesome. Now let's add 3 text fields. Let's use this one for category, another one for materials, and the last one for item. You can also use other field types like drop-down or multi-choice so that the user can select from a list of options instead of typing in the next field. This way your clients can fill up these fields easily. But for now, let's keep them this way. Great, and let's keep this field. And of course, you can change the title, but for now let's keep it as it is. Now let's add a number field for area, and another number field for approximate cost. So now when the user fills out the form, we want to calculate and show the approximate cost on various works of materials. For example, let's say that the cement cost is 16.4% of the total cost. Let's add a variable field to calculate the cost of cement. Now let's set its type as formula and write its formula in the default value. The formula will be like this: area multiplied by 16.4 multiplied by square feet cost divided by 100. Make sure the number fields have the same ID as we used in the formula. We used the area and the approximate cost fields here, so they should have the exact same ID as what we used in the formula. Now let's do it with another material, like sand for example. Let's say sand is 12.3% of the cost. So we add another variable for sand cost, set its type to formula, and in its default value, we will add this formula: area multiplied by 12.3 multiplied by square feet cost divided by 100. Awesome! Now let's add a section field to show the final cost of cement. You can do so by piping the final value of the cement cost variable. Just put the field's ID in double parentheses and you're done. You can also make a table in the section field to show all costs of materials and then sum them up in a separate variable field to calculate the total cost of all construction materials. To do so, add another variable and call it total material cost. Then make sure your cement cost and sand cost variables have an ID. Then, in the total cost variable, you can write this formula: cement cost plus sand cost. Then, in your section fields table, you can pipe the total price and show the user a detailed overview of the material costs for the mentioned area and approximate cost. And now, let's add a file field type. This way, your client can send any relevant files to their projects to you. And here you can set which file type they can send to you. Let's choose unrestricted for this one, and you can also set the maximum file size here. Here we have a single choice field for the time frame, but you can also use a date field if you prefer. And here you can set either a fixed or dynamic selectable date range. With the fixed range, you can set from which date to which date your clients can select. So for example, if you put from July 1st to the 31st of July, your clients will only be able to select a date within that month. And the dynamic range means that if you, for example, set one day before and one day after, your clients will only be able to choose dates from yesterday to tomorrow. And the dates displayed on the form will change depending on when they open the form. So for example, if a client opens a form tomorrow, they will only be able to choose a date starting from today to the day after tomorrow, which makes it dynamic. And that's it! We have customized this form successfully, and now you can easily start customizing your form to your needs. If you would like to know more about estimation forms, like for example how to use variables and logic to get automatic estimation responses from your clients, check out the tutorial I left for you in the top right corner. You can sign up at Formulu for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulaing!